Did you know that a gas-powered furnace has a lifespan of more than 20 years? An electric furnace can run for much longer. This makes investing in a furnace for space heating in the home sound like a real bargain. The initial installation costs will be almost insignificant compared to the benefits you will enjoy for many years. There is just one catch: maintenance. You can't expect the furnace to continue functioning at its optimum through the years without giving it a second thought. Furnaces are complex pieces of equipment. They need attention if they are to last as long as they ought to. Regular HVAC furnace repair and maintenance is absolutely necessary if you want your furnace to make it past half of the lifespan expected from it. Maintenance also saves you money on your energy bills. Running a furnace can consume a lot of energy, especially when it is overcompensating for one issue or another. It is therefore important to take the time to ensure that your furnace is always in its best working condition. Maintenance will ensure that your furnace is running efficiently. You will, therefore, enjoy reduced heating bills in the long run. For more information on HVAC furnace repair, call Pioneer Plumbing. Our office number, 604-282-3251.